Once again, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I got something weird. It's not weird, but it's weird to me. Because I really am not in tune with exactly what it is. So, this is called Chaat Patta by Morre. Maori? I don't know. But found it at this neat little market nearby. And this stuff hails from, what do you call it? Okay, you can bring it on in here. This stuff hails from Pakistan. Thank you. Oh, you're done with where's your drink? Mucus on the counter. Yeah. You done with your drink? No? Okay. Well, hang on to it then. There's hot stuff back here. Hot stuff! Okay. We're gonna have 3 minutes. We're gonna throw in this seasoning sachet 03. That smells peculiar. Wow. So, I had a different brand. I had the Knorr brand one of the Chaat Patta. And it looks like I had that in 2017 and I disliked it. And on that one I couldn't find anything about it. So, we'll see what goes on with this. Here's our line. You what? You need a napkin? Why? Was there a spillage? Need a napkin? For what? Let me see. Yep. Oh. That's not so bad. Thank you, Miles. That's a very adult thing to do, to clean up after yourself like that. Where's your drink? Did you finish? Whoa. That scared the crap out of me. That was the phone. It's alright, guys. Don't worry. Just fine. No, let's not make noise. That was my phone. And it was telling me that Mimi's got school pretty quick. So we'll do that in a minute. 2 minutes. Let's quickly do another quote from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. You want to hear? Yeah. Alright, come here. Number 117.
117.
Food should not taste too good. Leaving a little to be desired makes consumers to come back and try it again.
I love this ring.
You're like, what?
I love this ring.
Yeah. Alright, out of the kitchen. Go, go, go. Out, out, out. It's almost time for tablet time. Mimi's schooling interval in 1 minute. Yeah. Mimi's got her preschool where he gets to see all of her fans and demand that they tell her happy birthday. It's pretty cute. She's got a little buddy, and every class at the end, her little friend, she gets really sad that she's not going to see Mimi for the rest of the day and starts crying. It's like, oh man. And I guess she named a doll after Mimi. It's like, God, don't tell her that. It's going to go right to her head. She's got a pretty big ego as it is. Hey, where's your cup? Please? Nine, 8, 7, 6. These noodles aren't taking on any color. 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, so here's what you end up with. You got this cup that really, you can see the broth in there. It's like, is it really like masala soup? Or it's, well, but not like, it's not like Maggi 2-minute noodles, I can say that much. It's different. I really like Maggi. I think everybody likes Maggi. But this is different, so we'll see. I think there's a lot of lemon in this. Let's find out. Oh, great. They've been fed and they've had chocolate milk, so now they're gonna go insane. Wow. Okay, so this one I like. It's definitely got like an acidity. It's got a nice... It's interesting. I'm sold on it being fascinating. Got 3 minutes until, or no, 7 minutes till her class is supposed to start. So I gotta kind of wrap this up quick. Okay, let's do this. I think this is supposed to be like something called chapati. I'm really not sure, or just chaat patta. It's like a snack. If you can shed some light on this for me, please do so. I would really appreciate it. But I'm just gonna go kind of the standard route. I'm gonna throw some eggs on. I don't know about mung bean sprouts, but I do have some coriander, which sounds kind of nice. Some spring onion. Some chicken. Big chicken. That chicken, despite me not setting the timer and having it going well over 40 minutes for that chicken breast, it's really not bad. Here's some pepper flake. Trying to think what else I can drop on here. Maybe some sesame seeds. I know sesame is a thing I use often. I really don't know anything about Pakistani food, and that's always fascinated me. I will someday. But anyways, rotato. Do your stuff. There's the cup. Hey, don't make Miles angry. That's not kind. If you make Miles angry, that makes Papa cranky, and cranky Papa means time out.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Alright, well that's the third review of the day. This has been something from Ireland, something from the US, made in Vietnam, and some from Pakistan. It's a pretty good roundup of 3 for today, so yeah. Thanks for watching. And this has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day.